Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a synthesizer or a digital piano into a computer using a MIDI cable. If your piano has a MIDI out, then you can do this. What you need is a MIDI cable. I got a cheaper one here. This is from Amazon. I think like $10. It works. I tried it. It works. So on your back of your synthesizer or piano, you should have like a MIDI in, MIDI out. So in the back here, I have here. Right here, there's two ports right here. So what you need to do on your MIDI cable, see this one is out, and this one should be in. See, the biggest mistake people do is to put this is a mistake that people do, the rookie mistake. They put in with in and out with out. So it should be the opposite. So what you should do, if it's in MIDI in, the plug that says MIDI out, you put it in there. So put the MIDI out there, right there. So that's the MIDI out. And on the MIDI out on your device, you put the MIDI in there. So, can you see it? Let me see. See, this is in. So, put it in there. Try to do this with one hand. There you go. So that's it. That's how you put the cable. So on your cable, if it's MIDI out, it goes in the MIDI in, and if it's MIDI in, it goes in the MIDI out. And at the end, the other part, this is the USB. You just plug this in your computer. This is actually a newer brand. Anyway, it's a USB. Just plug it into a USB port, and you should be good. And the computer, your Mac or PC, should be able to pick it up. Mine does. I plug it in my Mac with Logic. It sees it. And GarageBand, it sees it. My son, I don't know what he's using on a PC, and it does work on a PC too. That's how you connect a synthesizer or a digital piano with MIDI in and out to a computer, Mac or PC. You just need a cable that convert from a MIDI to a USB, and make sure you get this right here. This is very important. This is what people make the mistake. MIDI in, the cable should be here, should be MIDI out. So out into in, and in into out. All right, that's it. Help yourselves. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, this is like my synthesizer here is about 30 years old or 40. It's in something about 28 or 38, I think. Since I think this was like 1986, and it's still running good. Let's see if it turns on. I plug it in. It still works. All the keys still works. Everything still works. Right now it's not hooked up to my amplifier. It's over there. Anyway, that's for another different story. Right now we're just running through MIDI right now to the computer when we're recording. So I'm surprised this thing still works after all these years, and no dead keys at all. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.